Folks, hello, hi, how are you? So in this video we're gonna create our second type of enemy. In the previous video we created the standard type of enemy. I need to delete this. So we got these guys here, standard. That's pretty good. Now in this video we're gonna create our second enemy type, which I already have a idea for. Let's first try creating our new enemy type. What happens if... Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna delete this, put this here. Okay. We're gonna create a new material for these guys. The name for this is gonna be bumpers. You'll see why in a few minutes. I'll explain later when we actually start making our bumpers behavior script. So we'll still go with the red color, but this time we can use a darker shade. I guess that can work. Let's see. Yeah, I guess that can work. So we're gonna change this guy's name, Bumper. So now standard enemies are slow, but bumpers, they are gonna be more faster. They are gonna be faster. Think of our bumpers as some sort of berserkers. You need to shoot them down before they get to you, because if they do, a bomber is gonna explode and deal massive damage to our player. So we're gonna set our speed to 7. That can work. To check, let's put both types of enemies side to side and see how much the difference in speed is. Yeah, that's really good. Okay. Also, hold on. Why did this guy still latch onto me? Why? Let's see if it's gonna happen with both of them or just the bumper. Bumper latches on, standard does not. Why? The braking is probably not fast enough. The bumper enemy notices that it's reached its stopping distance, but it goes too fast to stop in time. At least that's my guess. So let's see if we can do anything about that. Crash agent speed 0. Let's see if this is gonna stop our bumper. No. Why? Hmm. Fucking hell. Yeah, but I did that, it doesn't work. How about a buffer? Something like this. No. Oh, you're pissing me off. What's the fucking issue? Hmm. How about this? Okay. We can work with that. Now, here's how we're gonna do this. Flash agent. First, we're gonna set paths. Flash agent. Velocity. What's that? Desired velocity. I don't know what that means, but okay. So velocity 0. This is a complete hard stop. Let's see that again. Yeah, that's very good. Now, when this happens, I want my bomber to wait just a little bit before exploding. And if the player is within a certain radius during that explosion, when that explosion happens, they take a massive amount of damage. Now, how are we gonna do that? First, let's actually create a separate script for bombers. Bomber behavior. we didn't put scripts at the end. Water. Actually, let me. Very good. Charging duration. Just 1 second. Charging duration. Time. If charging duration is equal to or smaller than this, explode. What? Oh, fuck off. Explode. Now, how are we gonna detect the player? Do we create array casts or maybe another way? Hold on. No. I thought I would find something useful in the previous project scripts, but nah. Collider. Detected objects in radius. Then what? Physics. Box cast. No. Capsule, no. Damn. That doesn't work. There. Wait, what did I say? Overlap sphere. Compute and... Ne oldu? Ne oldu? Computes and stores colliders touching or inside the sphere. Yeah, that's what we need. Then for NT. Detect. Yo, begin. What was I saying? Damn cats confused me. They distracted me. So Perfect. Perfect. That works good. Yeah, okay. We got the bombers handled. A concept like this, an enemy type that pretty much explodes, needs some effects, whether it be sound effects and visual effects. But that's a topic for another video. Fucking hell. That's another topic for another video. For now, we created the behavior, the script for bomber objects, bomber enemies. And now in the next video, we're gonna create a third type of enemy. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm gonna come up with an idea in the by the time I start recording it. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.